Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be doing a look using the Morphe Sweet Oasis palette, and I'm going to be going into the color Private Villa and applying that above my crease and in my crease, and I'm just going to drag that color all the way to my inner corner. Eyeshadow is what I'm repping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. Eyeshadow is what I'm repping. Sending emojis. I'm blowing a pack of that OG. Don't be acting like you know me. And if you did, that's the old me. When it's time, rock a cold fleece. So now that I've done both eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and blend out that pink shade out. I'm using that same brush that I used to pack the color on. So to blend out that color more, I tried to go in this peach shade in that same palette. It was called Sneak a Kiss. It wasn't giving what I wanted it to give. In my head, I thought it was going to look one thing, but it didn't do that. So I ended up changing my mind, and I went ahead and used the color in that same palette called Love Struck. And it worked out a little bit better to blend out that pink shade. So then I went ahead and used the color Picture Perfect, and I'm putting that in my outer corner and dragging that in my crease just to deepen up the look. And I'm just going to blend that out to my liking. Now here we go again with me struggling to cut my crease. I do feel like the more that I do it, it just comes out better each time, but I do still need to work on it. So I'm applying this sticky base primer that I got in one of my BoxyCharm boxes to apply my loose glitter. I'm going to link these glitters in the description below if anyone's interested in them. They are pretty cheap. I think I got about 40 for $10. And this is the shade that I'm going to be using. It's like a light pink. And I'm just going to use my finger to press on that glitter where I want it to be. I did also went ahead and put some chunky glitter over it. And yeah, this isn't my favorite look, honestly, but since I've got this far, I just kept on going. It's whatever. So now I'm going to prime my face. I'm going to use this e.l.f. primer, and I'm also going to use the primer by Fenty Beauty. So now I'm about to conceal. I'm using the Born This Way concealer in the color Golden Beige. I'm putting that under my eyes, forehead, nose, above my lip, and my chin. So now I'm just going to use my beauty blender to press in that product in my face. So this is where it starts to get wild. This is my first time actually doing it this way. I just used a eyeshadow brush and I'm applying a darker foundation on my nose, over my forehead, cheekbones, and jawline so that I can be able to contour. So I'm just using up the same beauty blender to blend that out. I'm not gonna lie, I was not sure how this was gonna turn out doing it this way. But yeah, so I'm just gonna keep on blending, and yeah, it was looking crazy. It was looking crazy. So here I'm just going in my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 235 to try to fix everything because it was just, I don't know what happened today, but I was just not feeling my makeup at all. I was just doing editing and everything, and girl, So now I'm going in this iconic London palette, and I'm going to use that dark brown shade to go over the contour that I just did. Now I'm applying blush. I use that hot pink shade in that same palette, and I feel like it's starting to come together. The face wasn't too crazy. Here I am applying more of that Private Villa shade on my lower lashes. So now I'm going in the same palette in the shade Just Us Two, and I'm applying that in my inner corner. I lined my lips, and I'm using the lipstick in the color Tolede by Nars. And yeah, I'm like obsessed with this color. And to top it all off, I'm using this e.l.f. lip gloss in the shade Pink Cosmo. And as you can tell, like, this is like one of my favorite lip glosses by e.l.f. I use it so much, I'm almost running out. I definitely need to get some more because it just feels so good on the lips. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this look. Didn't feel like doing the hair. But thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.